love it. It's so much better looking than the old location, just in general. We were renting the old spot, and now Josh purchased this building, so we were able to make it look the way we wanted to, and we have so much more room.
Right.
Before, we could only work on like 4 cars at a time. Now we can work comfortably on about 10 to 12, depending on what they are.
Welcome to the Pittsburgh International Auto Show 2019. Can you hear? All right, can you guys hear me? Yeah. Oh, that's neat. Let's try that again. Can you guys hear me? Yeah. All right, there we go. All right, so we want to welcome you to the Galleria Exotica. We have a really special car for you today. My car is the Huracan Performante, known as the Performante. Go follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube if you want to see those videos. But you're really here to see this car, the McLaren Senna. It's a part of the Ultimate series of McLaren. This car is really, really special. There are only a limited number of them that are made, and we're really excited to have one in Pittsburgh and to share it with you. It's about 18 months to 2 years from the time the car is, when you decide you want it, to kind of configure it, to kind of get it here. And as I said, it's a really special color. This car is really awesome, and we're excited to share this with you. So before we do that, I'm going to share with you a little, some noise. You guys want to hear the Performante? Yeah! I guess not. All right. Do you guys want to hear the Performante? Yeah! There we go. That's more like it. Here we go. You want to hear more? Yeah! It's still cold, but we're doing it. All right, so enough of that. Now it's time to show you why you're here. The Ultimate Series McLaren Senna. Let's see it. Go. Let's show it, guys. How about that? That's pretty awesome. Guys, thanks for coming by. Stick around. Take pictures. Thanks again.
This is designed to be something that can be put on with a temporary adhesive. So say you're going to the track for the day and you don't want to have your full front end wrapped, you can put strips of this film on and cover all the areas. So they have track wrap.
We'll do something like that for you too. And there's also
I'm installing, I mean not fully installing, just sort of showing it off. Clear protection film. So if you feel this stuff, it's very, very thick. It's designed to block rock chips, scratches. Conforms over curves. We do, a lot of times we do the full front ends of the car. Now the McLaren behind you and the Lamborghini over there, they are fully wrapped in this film. So once it's on there, this is a nice thick barrier. You don't really have to worry about rock chips and things. The really cool thing about it is that it self-heals.
You guys see that?
We're not part of that,
All right.
That's pretty cool.
If I did that to the paint on your car, you'd probably punch me in the face. We'd have a bad time. So this is designed to happen naturally from sitting in the sun, or you can accelerate it with hot water. But what we do is take a heat gun, and anytime the film heats up above 80 degrees, it helps the clear coat pull back together, and these scratches and swirls are going to go away. So, can you guys see those? Now it's not instantaneous, but we can speed it up with a heat gun, and it helps take the majority of that out right off the bat. What do you think?
That's why I hate about having black first spoilers.
Well, that's the nice part. When you wrap a whole car like this Lamborghini that's jet black and shows absolutely everything, there's no metal flake to hide it. Now you can make sure that that car maintains a perfect paint
wax
condition.
on top of this?
Yep, you can treat it just like normal paint, because the top of the film actually has a clear coat on it. So the main issue was that the film used to discolor and turn yellow over time because it's a urethane-based material. and urethane is very porous and absorbs contamination. So it used to turn yellow and look like crap after a couple years, and that's why no one really liked it before. But XPEL in 2012 created the clear coat to help seal the pores, but also to give the self-healing effect to make sure that it maintains that like-new appearance during the 10-year time frame that it's guaranteed for, against lifting, yellowing, discoloration, and cracking. So that's a pretty cool feature. So whether you do that on the front end or the entire vehicle, it's going to look like new the whole time you have it.